Here's the Hot Wheels Premium Mountain Drifter set from 2022. This is a really cool set. You can get it in the shipping container style box. You can see the hinges here on the side, or in the individual blister packs. Here's what you get on the back: the Toyota Sprinter, really cool one, the Mitsubishi 3000 VR4, the Honda NSX Type R, the Nissan Skyline, and the Toyota Celica 95, which is my personal favorite. I'm going to open this box up, and then I'll showcase each of the cars individually for you guys on the turntable and kind of show you what's inside. So outside of the box, here's the plastic shipping container. You can see the detailing of the hinges on the side of this one too. It opens up like this. You just fold this down, and here's all the cars on the inside. I'm going to put each of them on the turntable and showcase them for you now. If you guys like this quick showcase, just do me a favor and let me know by hitting the like button.